Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part. I went an extra step that you really don't have to do. If you wanted to join these two lines, and we stated in the video you can't really just join them. If we take, let me take the shape tool and get that right on the edge. And then in the other video, I took and changed them to a object, and then I left clicked and right clicked, and then I cut that out and smart filled it. Well, you don't have to do that. All you have to do is grab them both and weld them. Now it's one line. And you can even see, left click, right click, that line is gone. So it welded it. So it's one less step. You know, it's just as good. It's a little faster. I don't know when you're ever going to use this. And I'm really curious when I send this gentleman the video if I was correct in what he was wanting to do. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.